Okay, welcome back fellas. So in this video we'll be creating a server using the Node Package Manager, and if you don't have the Node Package Manager installed on your system, I'll be leaving a link down below for you to click to download the Node Package Manager. And if I already have it installed on your system, all you have to do is type in npm init-y. So the reason why I'm adding the -y flag is that it helps you to create the default details about the app, and you can see here now it creates the name for the app, and here the server it will be running on, and so I've already included it, so it will be running on start, and that is it. So and I made my main file to be server.js. So what I need to do is create server.js. Okay, and with the Node Package Manager, in order to create a server you need some modules, and the module I need right now is the HTTP module. And what I need to do is require the HTTP module, and all I need to do is create a constant and the name for the constant. So you can use any name for the constant. All what matter most is that you require the module. So the require, that is the HTTP module, and I need to create the server now, and all I need to do is create the constant for the server, and that is so. These HTTP modules come along with some method. So, and among the methods is HTTP create server, and the method is create server, and the create server taking a parameter that is the request and the response, and the code in here will run whenever a request is made to the server. So, and let me just type console.log request made to the server, and so whenever a request is made, this code runs. And for the server to work, we have to attach the port to it. So whenever the request is made from the server, so we need to distinct the port the request is being made from, and that is the port. So we need to add a port, and I like to use 5000 as my main port. So whenever I'm using my React, running my React app, so I don't like it crashing along with my Node app. So but I need to make it clear about something. Whenever you are deploying your Node.js app into the server, you need to add the process.env.port to it. So or 5000. So add your port you are running on locally on your system. So the reason why I said you should add the process.env.port to it is that this code automatically detects the environment port your app is running on. So maybe you deploy your app to Heroku, this code will automatically detect the environmental port, so it may use this port or this port. So, and now let's listen to the request. So tag along the listening. So this listening method detects when a request is being made to the port we are going to add here. So whenever you send a request to this port, it automatically grabs it that the request is being made, and this code is listening to the request, and when the request is made, this code runs, and that is a request made to the server. And with this, it takes a callback function which runs whenever the server starts. And so let me add the console.log again. So I think that is the best option for you to know whether your app is running, your Node app is running. So instead of using the string, I need to make use of the backticks, so I will be able to add JavaScript syntax inside here. So that is, let me type server. Alright, server. Server listening on port, and use the port, and so we'll be knowing where the port, and we'll be listening to the request made to the server. So to initialize this server, so we need to start the server, npm start, and we need to save it first and type npm start. Alright, so you see server listening on port 5000, and if any request is made to the server, you see the code will run. So let me open my browser, and let me type in localhost 5000. Alright, okay, localhost 5000. Sorry, I think my PC is having some glitch. Okay, so as you can see here now, the loading tab is spinning here, and that means a request has been made to the server, but the reason why it's not loading anything is that we are not sending any file to the browser. And let's check here, it says request made to the server, and right now let me stop it from loading, and here I will need to close the server again. So we need to add some codes here to make sure that the server is running very well. And what I need to do is set the header for the file. So set header, and the main type we'll be sending is our content type, and the content type will be text/html. So we can either send a text or an HTML file to the server. So that's it. So we need to type res and res.write. So first let me send the text to the browser. So let me type hello sync, and let me save. And like here now, you say I type response.write hello sync, and this will send a text to the browser, so it will display on the browser. So let me run the node app again, npm start. Okay, so let me run it again. Okay, so you can see here now that the server is working fine, and but as you can see up here now that the load bar is still running, and it will never stop until you add the response.end to the server. That means you need to add a code that the response has end. And let me cancel here, and let me close again. So in our next video, we'll be adding some having a module that will allow us to reload our server automatically without needing to stop the server and reloading it again. So now to end the response, you need to type response.end, and this will allow the server detect that your response has end. So let me close the server. Sorry. I think I need, okay. Okay, so type npm start again. So let me type npm and I think the code is still not working, and let me close the tab and check. Okay, the response should end right now. Okay, I haven't saved the file, so save, and let me close it again. So I think I need to type npm start again. Okay, so let me type localhost 5000 and here, and as you can see the spinning bar stopped. That means the response has ended. Now I already I send a test to the browser, but now I want to set an HTML, and that will be, let me add an HTML tag here. That is the h1 HTML tag and the closing tag, and let me close the server again and type npm start. So npm start, and now let me make another request to the server, and that is localhost 5000 again, and you see now it's written the test in an HTML format. And that will be all for this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also share this video in order for people to benefit from it, and see you next time.